Some cabinets have a plastic melamine surface coating rather than being painted or stained. When this vinyl coating begins to peel, you can either remove all of the coating and repaint or simply repair the damaged areas. Repair is far less time-consuming. If the coating is loose but intact, it can sometimes be successfully re-glued using an instant adhesive such as super glue that is compatible with vinyl. The peeled areas need to be sanded to remove the loose material and minimize the transition from bare wood to the vinyl. The next step is coating the entire surface with a bonding primer. This will cover the bare wood and prepare the melamine to accept a new top coat of paint. Depending on the thickness of the melamine, it may take more than one coat of primer to smooth out the surface. Since melamine has a smooth finish, using a spray for the primer and paint is a good option. Just be sure to mask off adjacent surfaces, provide plenty of ventilation, and wear a respirator.